Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you draft or write an email from your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to write an email using your Pipedrive account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that jumping around between Gmail and different emails can be time consuming. And with Pipedrive, you can manage all of your email inboxes in one location. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive and this is the home screen. Now, before you go any further, I want to let you know this is assuming you've already linked or connected your email to your Pipedrive. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. However, once you have connected your email, if you simply want to go ahead and write or draft an email, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little envelope icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the inboxes that you have inside Pipedrive. So you can see I just have connected this one email account. If you connected more than one account, make sure that you're working in the correct email account. And now in order to draft a message, what you're going to do is click on this green new email button. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show your email address right here. Next, you're going to go ahead and type in the recipient, which will be their email address. You can put a subject line. So let me go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and typed up an email. It's basically like setting up a Gmail. Once you've typed in all this information and before you click on send, you can go ahead and save this person as a contact up here on the top right if you wish to do so. Maybe this is your new customer or some sort of an employee. Also down here, you can go ahead and link it to a deal or a lead. That way, anytime you get an email in reference to that lead, it's going to be batched up with that deal. So you can add a new deal or you can link it to an existing one. So once you're ready to go ahead and send this email using your Pipedrive, you're going to click on this green send button here on the bottom right. If you need to send it at a future date, you can go ahead and schedule that out as well by clicking on this green downward arrow. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to draft or send an email directly from your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.